people, I greet you now. I mean, my country brother, friends, Edo Unity. Now they here, the yarn, this story, and do this teaching. Today, we want to talk about something with a very, very special, and it concern me and it concern you. And I waiting be this thing now. How waiting happen to person for small pikin when it is small? All the bad experiences where person pass through for small pikin, how it can lead to what they call trauma, and how that trauma can take affect us as we don't grow. So as men, women, boys and girls, that's why we call it childhood trauma. How childhood trauma take the affect adults. Well, you feel say you not be small pikin again, you don't grow. But if you don't ever ask yourself, why they always feel like this? Or why small thing they vex me like saying a war? This video now for you. Make you subscribe if you dey waka for this healing journey. Now together we go heal. Wetin be childhood trauma? Like I don't try explain am small just now. Childhood trauma not be only beating or shouting or if it be say them not show you love, or them not dey around you, like your parents not dey around you, or them do things which shake your small mind. If it be violence, wahala for house, or when mama papa not dey emotionally present, trauma not be just waiting happen. Now how it affects you, your inside. How it dey show for adults? You feel ask. You not go to trust people. You always dey fear say them will leave you or use you. Number two, now any small rejection go pain you well. Ordinary no reply, maybe ordinary no reply. As me say you even write somebody message for SMS, he no reply. He go make you cry or feel say you no good. Number three, you too dey please people. You go say yes when you no want talk no. When you want talk no. You forget that song where you say, wherever you go, wherever you be, do not say yes when you mean to say no. Because when you small, them teach you say love get condition. Now him. Now you don't grow as adult, you don't know how to correct them. Number four, here now, you dey spoil better thing for yourself. Anytime good thing they come, you dey push them away like say you not deserve them. Now because of what happened to you when you small. Number five, now your mind not dey ever calm down. You dey always dey think, dey fear, like say problem they come. You just get that feeling. Because now how you take grow. Then number six, you know the sabi say no or draw line. That is, you know sabi set boundary. you feel say to set boundary na bad thing or go make people vex. Oh my God, all these things na it dey take dey show for adults. You not break, you not break, you not spoil, you just wound. All these things not mean say you bad. Na the way your body and mind take learn how to survive. But now you fit learn better way. Healing is dey possible, and it start from awareness to know say something dey wrong. Na there the healing starts. If this video touch you or open your eye, abeg drop your comment. I go love to hear your story. Next week gist is surplus. We go dey talk about habits wey go help you heal every day, small small. We go put am for TikTok, and we go put am for Facebook, and we go put am for YouTube Shorts. Remember, and not forget to like, share, and subscribe our video. You not dey alone. You be able, and you be unbreakable. Thank you for your time, and not forget, say, no matter wetin happen to person for small pikin, no matter the journey or the accident wey you even get, like me, mama wey don get this accident, so healing after trauma is possible. We go see next week. Remain blessed. Bye bye.